atomic secret, they gave it to me. So I must have done a pretty damn good job.
When you entered USA and you were given these tasks to get close to foreign policy makers, national security advisors, to the president, all of this was your major task.
Yeah.
Just to go there, live there, understand, observe, and give that information to Moscow.
Okay.
Right? Now, you were also given a 6-page legend, which was your background story, which was a fake story, right?
Yeah.
So now, what about that story was something that you feared that would expose you? What were you scared about out of all that?
It was really well constructed. First of all, my legalization in the U.S. was based on that birth certificate, right? And any trace that could have been left behind of the real Jack Barsky was